Both Trump and Biden are running on a campaign of not cutting Social Security. I think that's a stupid thing. They aren't serving the future generations they should by running on that sort of a platform, but that is their platform. And obviously, if they do nothing, they are not going to cut it in the next 4 years. But
that was Senator Grassley, not the first politician to disagree with both Trump and Biden's safe stance on Social Security. He thinks that there needs to be a more bold change when it comes to fixing Social Security. I'm going to play that full video clip. Also, I'll go over this article right here, why Joe Biden and Donald Trump refuse to support this Social Security change that many Americans favor. I'll let you know what that change is and why they do not support it. I'll go over that article and give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates. Let's get into it here. Why Joe Biden and Donald Trump refuse to support this Social Security change that many Americans favor. So, Joe Biden and presumptive GOP presidential nominee Donald Trump disagree on nearly every important topic. It's hard to find anything they're on the same page about, but there is one area of agreement, and surprisingly, it relates to Social Security. Biden and Trump refuse to support a Social Security change that many Americans favor. So a popular Social Security proposal, it's no secret that Social Security's two trust funds are running out of money. The combined funds are on track to be depleted by 2033, according to the Congressional Budget Office. Unless something is done to bolster Social Security benefits, benefits will be slashed by 25%. So, Social Security basically faced financial challenges. What was referred, or actually, you didn't see that clip yet. I'll show it in a little bit. But in 1983, Democrats and Republicans worked together to implement reforms to put the program on a more solid financial footing. One key component of the legislation was gradually increasing the full retirement age from 65 to 67. Would Americans support raising the full retirement age to help address Social Security's current issues? Well, it depends. So, why Biden and Trump oppose raising the retirement age? So, Biden has expressed an openness to a higher full retirement age, also known as FRA, in the past. For example, he voted for the 1983 increase from 65 to 67 when he was a senator. In 2005, Biden included raising the retirement age for people who are now 30 years old, among several reforms that have to be discussed. Likewise, Trump floated the idea of raising the full retirement age to 70 in his 2000 book, The America We Deserve. So why do Biden and Trump now oppose Social Security reform they were willing to consider before and many Americans support now? Well, the two politicians have different reasons for not wanting to raise the retirement age. In a State of the Union message earlier this year, Biden said that if anyone tries to raise the FRA, he will stop them. He didn't give details on why he was against the proposal, but appeared to lump an increase in the retirement age in the category of benefit cuts. The SSA Commissioner, Martin O'Malley, a Biden appointee, could have also reflected the president's views on his appearance before the House Ways and Means Committee last month, saying, "For those who would advocate raising the age, I think we have to be mindful of people who do hard work their whole lives and die sooner." So Trump's opposition to raising the FRA seems to be that it's simply not necessary. In 2016, he stated that he intended to leave Social Security the way it is and not increase the retirement age. This is still his view. Trump said at a town hall in late 2023, "You don't have to touch Social Security." So it seems that Trump and Biden are basically taking the safe route, not touching Social Security, not doing anything for Social Security, at least during their election year. Biden had a big 4-point plan to change Social Security, didn't do anything the past 4 years. Trump didn't do anything for Social Security as well when he was president. It seems that no one wants to touch Social Security, and it just doesn't want to. They don't want to get any backlash from the 70 million Social Security recipients that are on Social Security in our country. So what are your thoughts on that? Anyways, let's take a look at this video clip right here.
Both Trump and Biden are running on a campaign of not cutting Social Security. I think that's a stupid thing. They aren't serving the future generations they should by running on that sort of a platform, but that is their platform. And obviously, if they do nothing, they are not going to cut it in the next 4 years. But we all know that by 2033, based on what your studies show, that it's going to go from 100% down to 77% of scheduled benefits. Now, is that a cut to you? I'm not asking what Trump and Biden would say about it, but if you go from 100% to 77%, isn't that a cut?
Absolutely. If Congress isn't able to avert it, as you all did in 1982, that would be a real hit to people.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on what Senator Grassley has to say? So you can see Martin O'Malley saying that there's going to be a big hit to Social Security. Something needs to be done again. What he's referring to, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, 1982, 1983, that's when they changed the full retirement age from 65 to 67. So Social Security head warns against raising retirement age after GOP proposal. So now Martin O'Malley basically saying, do not raise the retirement age. What are your thoughts on raising the retirement age? If you're already on Social Security, it's not going to affect you. It's going to affect generations like me, younger. I think the previous proposal was that when you're 30 years old, it's going to affect 30 years old or younger. It's going to affect your full retirement age. So really curious on your thoughts on that. And that is all the news that I have for today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day. I just want to tell you that you should always be grateful what you have. Karma is the one that, karma, if you give things out to the world, it comes back to you. If you have a friend that is really special to you and you give them a gift and they give you back a gift. That's what karma is all about. Giving gifts. Like, if you put silliness out in the world, you'll get silliness back. And it's like, you should always be grateful for, the holidays that have came. And also, if you have friends that you care about, you should always give gifts to them and they'll give gifts to you, because that always happened to me and I just love it. Bye.
2 official changes to Social Security just happened. You're going to want to click this video right over here, as one official change happened to SSI from the SSA, and a new bill has passed to change Social Security for the better. So you're going to want to click that video right over there, and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.